welcome to Fitness with Meg. Today we're here with another yoga block stretch video, and today we have yoga block camel stretch. So if y'all are ready, go ahead and grab your yoga blocks, grab a mat, and let's get ready to stretch. Okay, so we are going to begin our first move by doing the camel stretch. With our yoga block, we're going to do the more beginner one, so go ahead and grab that yoga block and place it in between your legs here. And we are going to come on down and lean backwards for that camel pose. We're going to be holding this for 1 minute here. This move, when we're doing it in between our legs with the camel, you really have to squeeze that yoga block. So if you have to adjust and come back up to squeeze that yoga block more, you can as well. Beginner and can't do the camel pose, you can always just begin by leaning backwards like so. And 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so the important thing when we are doing these back bend stretches is to elongate that spine again. So we're going to come up into a cobra position here for 1 minute to stretch out that back. Coming down and pushing back up. If you can only do a baby cobra position, you can do that as well. And 3, 2, and 1. Okay, if you need to, take a quick child's pose for 10 seconds. Okay, and now we're going to come up into that camel pose again. This time we are going to be using our yoga block here on the sides of our feet here. So go ahead and come down to camel for 1 minute here. So you can start off by having the yoga block up here, or if you are more advanced, you can have that yoga block in between your feet here and holding on to the yoga block there. Whatever y'all want to do. And 1. Okay, now we're going to come back into that cobra position here for 1 minute. So all these poses will help you increase your back flexibility here, which is great for if y'all are trying to do back bends or any of the tougher yoga poses. So important to have a flexible back. So you can do this video as many times as you want. You can always repeat it with the other stretch videos that I have on my channel. If you haven't seen that playlist, make sure that you'll check it out. Three, two, and one. Okay, and then just doing a 10-second child's pose here. This one should feel really great on your back after having done all of the other moves. All right, great job, we are done. Congrats on finishing this workout. I'm super proud of every single one of you. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Make sure y'all leave a comment below. And of course, subscribe if you haven't already. And a big thank you to everyone that has taken the time to subscribe for my channel. And I look forward to seeing you on Friday for our dance videos. Bye!